गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, कैसे हो आप सब। आज मैं आपको अमेजिंग फैक्ट्स पढ़ाऊंगी। नाउ इन माय चैनल स्टडी इजी बाय अंजलि। आपका वेलकम है मेरे चैनल स्टडी इजी बाय अंजलि। तो आज मैं आपको अमेजिंग फैक्ट्स पढ़ा रही हूँ, जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, लाइक करना ना भूले गाइस। वी नीड योर सपोर्ट। नाउ गाइस, जो अमेजिंग फैक्ट्स मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताऊंगी उनके ऊपर एसएससी, सीजीएल, सीपीओ, इसके अंदर जीके के क्वेश्चन बनते हैं इन अमेजिंग फैक्ट्स को लेके। तो आप इन्हें ध्यान से सुनना, समझना और हो सके तो इन्हें लर्न करने की पूरी कोशिश करना, क्योंकि अगर आप इन्हें याद करोगे तो आपको जीके में आसानी होगी। नाउ नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मैं 10 अमेजिंग फैक्ट्स लेके आऊंगी ब्रेन के बारे में, लेकिन अभी आपको टॉप 20 अमेजिंग फैक्ट्स से काम चलाना पड़ेगा, जो कि हमारे इंडिया के बारे में है, जो कि हमें बताते हैं कि हमारे इंडिया में क्या फेमस है, क्या नहीं, हमारे इंडिया का कल्चर कैसा है, हमारे इंडिया की क्या क्या विशेषताएं वगैरह। तो नाउ हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अमेजिंग फैक्ट्स। टॉप 20 फैक्ट्स में मैं आपको कुछ ऐसी बातें बताऊंगी इंडिया के बारे में जो आपने ना तो कभी सुनी होगी और ना आपको पता होगी। तो इसे ध्यान से सुनिए और सीखिए। तो गाइस, हम पॉइंट नंबर 1 से शुरुआत करते हैं। A floating post office. India has the largest postal network in the world with over 1,55,050 post office. A single post office on an average serves a population of 7,175 people. The floating post office in Dal Lake, Srinagar was inaugurated in August 2011. हमारे पास एक फ्लोटिंग पोस्ट ऑफिस है जो कि हमारे पास श्रीनगर में है, श्रीनगर की लेक श्रीनगर। कब स्टेबलाइज हुआ? 2011 में। पॉइंट नंबर 2, Kumbh Mela gathering visible from space. The 2011 Kumbh Mela was the largest gathering of peoples with over 75 million pilgrims. The gathering was so huge that the crowd was visible from space. Now you can see this in this figure. Point number 3. The wettest inhabited place in the world. Mount Shinram, a village on the Kashi Hills. Meghalaya received the highest record average rainfall in the world. Cherrapunji, also a part of Meghalaya, hold the record for the most rainfall in the calendar year of 1861. Point number 4. Bandravali shilling has steel wires equal to the Earth's circumference. It took a total of 2,57 lakh mean hours for completion and also weighed as much as 50,000 African elephants. A true engineer and architectural marvel. Point number 5. The highest cricket ground in the world at an altitude of 2,444 meters. The Chile Cricket Ground in Chile, Himachal Pradesh is the highest in the world. It was built in 1893 and is a part of the Chile Military School. Now you can see this in this figure. Point number 6. Shampooing is an Indian concept. Shampoo was invented in India, not the commercial liquid ones, but the method by use of herbs. The word shampoo itself has been derived from the Sanskrit word shampoo, which means to massage. Point number 7. The Indian national kabaddi team has won all World Cups. India has won all 5 main Kabaddi World Cup held till now and have been undefeated throughout these tournaments. The India women's team has also won all Kabaddi World Cup held till date. Point number 8. Water on the moon was discovered by India. In September 2009, India's ISRO Chandrayaan-1 using its moon mineralogy mapper detected water on the moon for the first time. Point number 9. Science Day in Switzerland is dedicated to ex-Indian President APJ Abdul Kalam. The father of India Missiles Program had visited Switzerland back in 2006. Upon his arrival, Switzerland declared May 26th as Science Day. Point number 10. India's first president only took 50% of his salary. When Dr. Rajendra Prasad was appointed the President of India, he only took 50% of his salary, claiming he did not require more than that. Toward the end of his 12-year tenure, he only took 25% of his salary. The salary of the President was Rs 10,000 back then. Point number 11. The first rocket in India was transported on a cycle. The first rocket was so light and small that it was transported on a bicycle to the Thamba launching station in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Point number 12. India has a Sapa just for elephants. Elephants receive baths, massages and even food at the Punathur Kota Elephant Yard Rejuvenation Center in Kerala. Now that a big step for the country. Point number 13. India is the world's second largest English-speaking country. India is second only to the USA when it comes to speaking English, with around 125 million people speaking the language, which is only 10% of our population. This is expected to grow by quite a margin in the coming years. Point number 14. Largest number of vegetarians in the world, be it because of religious reason or personal choice or both. Around 20 to 40% of Indians are vegetarian, making it the largest vegetarian-friendly country in the world. Point number 15. The world's largest producer of milk. India recently overtook the European Union with production reaching over 132.4 m tons in 2014. Point number 16. The first country to consume sugar. India was the first country to develop extraction and purifying techniques of sugar. Many visitors from abroad learned the refining and cultivation of sugar from us. Point number 17. The human calculator. Shakuntala Devi was given this title after she demonstrated the calculation of two 13-digit numbers 7686369774 into 2465099745779, which were picked at random. She answered correctly within 28 seconds. Point number 18. Rabindranath Tagore also wrote the national anthem for Bangladesh. Rabindranath Tagore is credited not only for writing the Indian national anthem Jan Gan Man but the Bangladesh national anthem Amar Sonar Bangla as well. He was also offered kinghood by the British but refused the honor after the Jallianwala Bagh measures. Point number 19. Dhyan Chand was offered German citizenship after defeating Germany 8-1 in the 1936 Berlin Olympics. Mason Dhyan Chand, the wizard of hockey, was summoned by Hitler. He was promised German citizenship, a high post in the German military, and the chance to play for the German national side. Dhyan Chand, however, declined the offer. Point number 20. Freddie Mercury and Ben Kingsley are both of Indian descent. Freddie Mercury, the legendary singer of the rock band Queen, was born a Parsi with the name Farrokh Bulsara, while the famous Oscar-winning Hollywood star Ben Kingsley was born Krishna Pandit Bhanj.